This might be one of the most underrated island in the Philippines. Welcome to Dinagat Islands. Most people know Siargao, but just north of it is this small island province that is super peaceful and hindi pa masyadong touristy. So here's day 1 of our 2-day Dinagat Island tour. Our first stop was Duyas Beach. Sobrang peaceful ng place. White sand, clear water, tapos tahimik. Medyo kakatapos lang nung ulan dito sa mga videos, kaya medyo makulimlim.
Ulan pa rin, cloudy pa rin, pero may araw. Ay, kasama natin yung mga OJTs. Hindi nyo kaya, OJT sila tour guide. Ganon. So, tour lang for free. Pakita ko sa inyo yung beach. Ito yung view niyan. Ito si Ek.
Our second stop is my favorite beach, which is Vitaog Beach. Guys, I think this is seriously one of the best beaches I've been to in the Philippines kasi ang ganda niya. The water was crystal clear, ang puti ng sand, and take note, umuulan yan. So imagine kung maaraw, mas may justice tong video. Feeling ko baka umiyak ako, ganon. If there's one beach in Dinagat that I'd tell everyone to visit, it's definitely this one. Meron din siyang mga rock formation sa gilid. Our last stop for day 1 was Pagkawasan Resort. Perfect siya if gusto mo lang mag-swim, mag-relax, and enjoy the view after a full day of island hopping. This is what I like about Nagat. Everything just feels slower.
Sige lang, umikot-ikot ka lang.
So we just stayed here. Naglaro-laro lang kami dito, nag-video-video. Originally, kasama talaga sa itinerary yung Kabakungan Cove. Pero dahil nga maulan, hindi kami makakapag-dock safely. Sayang, pero okay lang. At least, mas marami kaming reasons na bumalik ng Dinagat. As a certified cafe girl, isa sa mga una kong hinanap was coffee. Pero, unfortunately, isa lang yung coffee shop na nakita ko and ubos na yung beans nila. Tapos kinabukasan, Sunday, sarado sila. So, nag-milk tea na lang ako. This trip was way back April 2025 and we booked our island hopping through J-Malls. We booked through their page. If you're planning to visit, I highly recommend going during summer. Summer naman ang pumunta kami, it's April, kaso may bagyo. So medyo maulan yung buong trip. So maulan means maalon yung dagat. Also, medyo pataas pala yung mga roads dito. Medyo inclined talaga yung kalsada. Overall, if you're looking for a destination na hindi pa sobrang crowded with beautiful beaches, peaceful vibes, I think Dinagat Islands deserve more hype. And this was only day 1.